Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a little bit different than my normal type videos. I am going to show you something that is helpful in video making. If you need some special effects, this might help you. So, let me get this set up and I'll be right back with you, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let me get this set up. Cut. Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back. Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube video series. This video is a little bit different than my normal type videos. I'm going to introduce you to a different kind of way to make some special effects in your videoing. So let me get this set up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, here we have an item. I've been meaning to do this for several years, and just when it's the right time, I always forget about it. I'm sure you understand that. But since it's Halloween, well, close to Halloween, it's the end of September now, there's a new item. Well, I can't even say it's new. There's an item on the market now that I bought one of these at the Halloween store. I forgot what it is, the name of it is, but you see them pop up all over the area. Sell Halloween costumes and special effects and mummies and skeletons, that kind of stuff. And I bought this one at Home Depot. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is, I'm going to open this one up and get it plugged in. Right over here. Get it turned on. Now you can see that flickering. There we go. I'll put it in the camera so you can see it. Turn it this way. You can see the flickering. Turn it down. Now what is this good for? If you want to use like a TV screen in the background, you don't want to show the TV, but you want to show the lights flickering, this is a good item to do that. Or if you want to show a lightning storm outside, this will be good for that. Now this one right here, I do not recommend this one. When I purchased this one, just so happened I went to take it back and the Halloween store is already closed down and moved away. This one is right here in this little green box. The reason I don't like this one is because the flickering, or the strobe, as I guess is a better way of putting it, it's always at a constant rate. Same rate. You can see that it's always, you know, you can make it slower or faster, but it's always going to have the same rhythm. I guess rhythm is the best way of putting it. Same rhythm of light. There you go. Now, when I was at Home Depot last week, I found this model. Oh, I forgot. This one was $19.99. Probably a little bit overpriced for what I got. This one I found at Home Depot for under $10. Let me go ahead and open up the box here. It was in the Halloween section at Home Depot. So I'm sure it's going to be seasonal. This one, there's a test button on the side right here. Has a mount, so you can mount it if you need to be. You can put it on a tripod stand that accepts a 1/4x20 bolt. It has a 1/4-inch hole right here in the bottom. But let me show you this. One thing about this one does have sound, which I do not like. But I'm going to cover this up with my hand. You can see the flickering or the strobe it doesn't have the same rhythm as the other light. So, and it also on the back has a speed control. Try to cover up that sound again. Okay, so this one's going to be better, more realistic for a TV, a fake TV, to put it that way, fake TV. I'm going to get some use out of this, other than Halloween, of course. And I'm going to put a piece of tape covering this speaker. In fact, I'm going to do that right now while we're talking. Okay, I got some just regular masking tape here. I'm going to cover up that speaker hole, because I sure don't want the sound. You might want the sound, but it can be edited out while you're editing your video. But why do that when you can just take a piece of masking tape and cover the hole, the speaker hole. Let's see how that sounds now. That's better than what it was. Yeah, it does still have a slight sound, but it's better than what it was. Okay, this one does take AAA batteries. There's a little screw in the back right here. Take this off and put the batteries in, so we'll be out of the demonstration mode and into the actual usage mode. Here's a switch right here where you can fix that to where it should be. Anyway, pretty nice little item here. If you ever have a need for special effects with your lighting, check these out. This is the time of year to get them. Under $10 at Home Depot. Lowe's might have them, I'm not sure. Much better than this version. This one's in a purple and white box. This one's in a green box with red markings on it. The $10 one, in my opinion, is cordless. This one has a cord. If you need something like this, or you could use it in the future, or just need a little strobe light when, possibly when you're going out of town, maybe you could take this one and put it on a timer switch and mimic a TV while you're out of town. This one I don't think you can, well, you cannot put it on a timer switch because it's battery operated. But maybe put in a cheap 3 set of batteries from Dollar Tree. If you're going out of town for a night, hook this up. All you've lost is $1 for the batteries. Let it run until the battery dies. Let the burglars think somebody's home. Like I said in the beginning, this is a different kind of video. If you like it, that's fine. If you don't like it, that's fine too. But I'm going to do a few more videos on, not actually video editing, but maybe special effects for your videos. My name is Carl. I do appreciate being here.